It is 10 days out till I go on vacation and I'm going to New York Fashion Week. So that means I need to look my best and I need to do a few extra treatments just for this event. Come, I'm going to share with you all my dirty little secrets. If I time this right, I will not only get a good microneedling session, which is what I am doing today, but I will also be able to do one more peel. We'll see how the microneedling, I'm not going to go overly aggressive, but because I am a professional and I am using professional equipment, I'm going to go a little fuller turkey than I traditionally would do. I'm going to use some numbing cream because I plan to be assertive. Fun fact about redheads, which yes, I'm actually a redhead. Not only do we take forever to numb down, we also don't hold our numbing very well. So if you're a doctor or a dentist or anything like that, and you wonder why your clients who are predominantly redheaded are always chronically in pain, it's one of those weird little quirks we have. We just don't do well with numbing cream. You have to like double it up for us. Today's microchanneling, I'm going to be using the AnteAGE microchanneling solution for AnteAGE and the brightening solution on my chest. I love being a professional and using the good stuff. Let's do this. Sanitize the area. Start with a little bit of the solution. I like to start around the eye area just so that stays nice and numb. Let's do this. I've got the power. Get those marionette lines in the nasolabial area. Going a little deep here. And most growth factors, cytokinins, do your job. This will last me, I'll look like this for probably a good 12 hours, and then it's going to go right down. But I look like a tomato right now. All right, now I'm going to be working on the brightening solution on my chest because I got a little too much sun there. So let me do this, and I'll show you what it all looks like afterwards. So I'm all finished. So there's no working out for 48 hours. Everything has to stay nice and clean. The first 12 hours, you have to only use hyaluronic. Stay tuned if you want to see more of the crazy things I can get done before New York Fashion Week. I'm taking you all with me. See you on the next one.